So what's the next one you got coming up?
I'm doing I don't know, tell you guys about this. I'm doing a plywood storage rack.
Oh, no.
Where this
For those Home Depot cup bucket things?
With what?
For those Home Depot storage tote things?
No. For full sheets of plywood.
Oh, okay.
So where the idea came from is like, in a smaller shop, it's like space is at a premium, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you try to put things in unusable spaces. And what I mean by that is like, okay, do you want to put your hardwood lumber rack, those like Bora lumber racks, at eye level where you could maybe have cabinets or something like that? Mm-hmm. No. You want to put it in a space that you're not going to get to very often.
Over your garage door.
Over the garage door. Perfect spot. Because what the hell else are you going to put up there, right?
Yeah.
So then I'm like, I did that as soon as I moved in. And then when I had my clamp rack, I'm like, okay, again, where can I figure out where to put my clamp rack? Well, I found that fits perfectly behind the garage door rail. Okay, and I can still get my clamps in now there, no problem. Boom, filled up a ton of otherwise dead space.
Yeah.
So then I've rearranged my shop a million times. And because I was editing the video so many times today, I feel like I'm just reading the script of the video. But I know you guys haven't heard this. So I've rearranged my shop so many times. And like the plywood storage has always been an afterthought. It just happened to be that when I moved in, the only empty space I had was right by my like door going into the house. So that's where it lived. And it was a terrible spot for it.
Was it a Squarespace?
No, it's not a Squarespace ad. It was a terrible spot because I would have sheets of plywood fall on me often because it's literally just leaned up against the wall. Or, of course, the one that you want
is all the way in the back.
Is in the back.
Yeah.
And then you have all of the weight of every sheet in front of it leaning and pressing it up against the wall. You obviously can't get it out. So I was like, okay, if I could put my hardwood lumber above the garage door and my clamp behind the garage door rail, what if I put my plywood on behind the garage door rail on the other side, right?
Yeah.
So a lot of people, they do those like mobile plywood cart things. Mm-hmm. You've seen those, right?
Yeah.
You waste so much space above, and because you then store sheets long ways, like hot dog way, or I guess is that hamburger? Whatever, it doesn't matter.
Hot dog.
You're taking up 8 feet of wall space and only 4 feet tall. So I was like, I really want to store the sheets upright. So I was trying to come up with some ideas, and I was like, what if I make this like a mail slot?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Where I basically slide the sheets of plywood in like it's a mail slot.